Hello everyone, right, just a quick look at the little install I've got, CB radio install I've got in our little shopping car, little Suzuki Alto. And yes, very simple, it's just for convoy purposes only. Say we've gone off to the MOT, whatever, Mrs. is in one car, I'm in the other, so that's all it's for. I think it's really quite old now, CRT One. And yeah, just one of these little cigarette packet sized radios they do in the last sort of 10-15 years, and jolly good it is too. So very simple microphone clip there. I've put it in quite tidy up in the center console there, drilled through the back with a 20mm hole to get the PL259 through, run the power in directly from the battery, and just run it under the carpet there, up the A pillar, across behind the rubber, managed to squeeze it in behind that trim and out through the back. So I'll show you the antenna. So it's literally a little tiny little antenna that came with a radio of some description, and that's all it is. So it's only for 500 meters, 500 yard range, and that will do nicely. Generally what we'll do is actually keep that antenna on the back parcel shelf, because I don't like mag mounts very much. They've got a tendency to trap water and fill up with water. Much rather a fixed mount, but it is actually my missus' car, so I don't want to start drilling that. So there we go, that's a quick look-see at a very neat and discreet and easy to do install. Check the SWR by the way, and a little bit of cutting because it's actually tuned for the mid-block, but I had to cut a little bit off the steel whip, and I got it down to 1.5 on channel 1, 1.5 on channel 40, and pretty much flat SWR on channel 20. And long and short of it, a little short twig like that is going to be a 40 channel twig, and that's exactly what it is. So way to go. Okay, testing from the mobile installation with the CRT One, distance about 500 meters, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Comms check, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.